Today we are going to a demo of introduction of a cloud assisted microservices based software development framework for healthcare system. Okay, in healthcare system, how microservices are involved. Okay, how we are going to utilize the microservices for healthcare, we are going to see. Okay, here what happens here, what is the basic thing is, in healthcare system we will be having patient, hospital, okay, and doctors. These are interconnected with the help of microservices, and these microservices can be established as a services, okay, to other hospitals to fetch the details of a patient, okay, and other doctor related details, okay, and the details can be furnished from one hospital to another hospital. That is, you are visiting a hospital A, okay, you have all the details. Now you are not satisfied with the hospital A, and you are going to move to hospital B, okay. Hospital A provides some microservices services, okay, to hospital B. Then we by entering his employee, sorry, patient mobile number or his name, okay, they can able to fetch the details of the hospital from the hospital A. What are the treatments done, what are the diagnosis they have taken, what are the x-rays, MRI scans can be taken, can be utilized in the other hospital, okay. There is no need to do the diagnosis or repeated process of the x-rays, okay, and those things, okay. We go into the project, okay. Now you can understand easily, I think. This is the architecture diagram of the project, where we will be having users, okay, doctors and hospitals, okay, to book appointment and those things, okay. The project we is built upon, okay, we are using the IDE for Eclipse as IDE, and Spring Boot, okay, framework for Spring Boot framework microservices, and Java 11, okay, it is used. We go into the project demo, okay. Here if you say this is the healthcare system, okay, and Spring Boot, what is the version we are using. It is a Maven project, Spring Boot version 1.5.8, okay, we are using as a Spring Boot, okay. If you go here, okay, application and property files, if you mention the port number and the database connectivity, database we are using MySQL, okay, as database. And if you go here, this is the database. If you click on the admin, the database will open, okay. We will go here, localhost, okay. The database is loading, okay. Here we have the database name as healthcare, okay. Here you can see this is the database name is healthcare. These are the tables which are present, okay. This is the hospital details, okay. All the details, prescription, everything will be present over here, okay. The lab reports which are furnishing, prescription details, everything, okay. Okay, we go into the project, okay. This is a Maven project, so we go here, okay, and there is a clean option, okay. Ambient clean install, we have to clean, and there is a run option, okay. Spring boot run, okay. Profile we can set it as local, okay. We don't have a different profiles as dev staging and those things. As of now we are using, if we run this one, the project will run here in the port number 8081, okay. Tomcat started, application started, okay. We go to the project, okay. This is the home page of the project, okay. Just an image. If you go to the hospital, okay, we click a new hospital, okay. We add as Supreme, okay. Supreme Hospital or multiple hospital, some name, okay. 9043963075, okay. Email ID supreme me at gmail.com, okay. Some house, okay. We mark it as Chennai, or if you want you can give some address, okay. SUPREME Supreme. We make the username and password as same, submit as registered, okay. We go to the hospital now, okay. We log in. Here we have the profile, okay. This profile we can see over here, okay. This is a profile address details, something I changed. Okay, then go to add doctor. Here if you see, this is the hospital, is a new hospital. Okay, so we had only add a doctor, one doctor. Okay, here doctors are not there. Okay, so what we do now, we go to the doctor. Okay, Hari, one doctor is there. Okay, Ramesh something we add, REMESH. Okay, 043963074. Okay, this is the doctor which is going to handle the Supreme Hospital. Okay, 6 mail ID ramesh at gmail.com. Okay, degree ortho surgeon, SURGON. Okay, ortho surgeon spelling will take. Okay, here degree MBBS. Okay, MBBS comma M.S. Okay, address we give from some different location is seeing here. Okay, under Ramesh MESH. Okay, we log into the doctor to see the details. View appointment. If we see there is no appointment at all. Okay, this is the doctor. We go to hospital. Here we have Supreme. Okay, log into the hospital. Okay, this hospital detail, add a doctor. If you see Ramesh will come here. Okay, who all the doctors are there, all will come. Okay, visiting hours, if you can type like this. Okay, morning 09 p.m. to 12 p.m. or okay 1 o'clock. Okay, something. Submit that one. Okay, doctor added. If you go here, the doctor is added. Over here, search doctor. If you want, you can search. This is the hospital. Okay, there you can see add a doctor. 2 persons will be displayed here. This is the, in this hospital, this is the only ortho doctor. Okay, we can add doctors like this. If you want to search over here, you can search ortho surgeon something. Okay, or neuro. First we search with neurosurgeon. There is no one is there. Ortho surgeon. Okay, the details will come. Okay, booked appointment. Already we have a patient. Okay, to book the appointment. These are old patient. We'll create a new patient and show you. Okay, now we go to patient to create the patient. Okay, here if you go here. Okay, Siva is a patient. Okay, we create the number Siva. Okay, at gmail.com. He is from Kadalur. Okay, some area will put Kadalur. Username is Siva. Okay, add it over here. Submit this one. Okay, we go to Siva to view the profile details. Okay, here if we go to search doctor, he search doctor Ramesh is displaying over here. Okay, then we can add directly over here from here. Okay, from hospital also. Okay, from hospital how they can book appointment we can see. Okay, patient is reaching the hospital, then in person they are doing a doctor, they are searching the doctor. Okay, that is ortho surgeon, as we searched earlier. Like this they will search ortho surgeon, book appointment. Here doctor name, patient name already Siva is added. Okay, click here. What is the date to over here? December 3. Okay, December 3 today. I think tomorrow we'll put appointment. Okay, like this you submit the appointment. Okay, then view appointment. If you see here, the appointment is already there, and there will be a, if you are not able to attend in person, automatic Zoom meeting link will be, Google meeting link will be added. You can copy paste in the Google browser and you can join the meeting also. Okay, if in person it is not there. Okay, appointment ID, everything will be there. Okay, then you can search with this patient. Okay, if it is not there, 28 something we added, I think. Yeah, okay. Or else you can search with the appointment date also. Appointment, I don't know, we need to check. Third. Okay, sign out. Okay, then what happens now, you go to the doctor. Okay, doctor. Okay, doctor is Ramesh, right? Now we go to the doctor login. Ramesh, doctor. Now he came to the place. View appointment. If you see here, you can view the appointment. Okay, view lab reports and add prescription. You can view. Till now it is not added. Okay, and prescription he cannot add as of now. Okay, go here to the patient. Patient is Siva. We added. Okay, from Siva we go here. Okay, and search for doctor. Already appointment is done, so no need to do anything. Okay, click on that. Okay, appointment ID is already given. Go here and search for any downloads images. Okay, or else we will be having image in the decode and uploads folder. We'll have some image. Okay, I think downloads. Where is the downloads? No, downloads. Nothing will be there, I think. Okay, WhatsApp Zoom images. Okay, we better go to uploads. We'll take an unwanted image only. Okay, we'll upload as of now. Okay, we upload something. This is something we need to upload, or some X-ray image, or else ray image load X-ray image. Oh, something we need to do. Okay, copy this one. Check. Problem is okay. We give view all, and some problem in check in browser. Copy image. Go to MS Paint. What is this one? Resize. Okay, pixel. We add it as 200 to 200 pixel. Okay, 200 to 200 pixel. What is this one? Okay, how to resize this one? Crop, I think. Crop. Okay, save this one to downloads as ex ray. Okay, save this one, close this one. Okay, and go here, upload, downloads. Oh, where we saved, we don't know. Desktop X-ray. Oh, sorry, MS Paint. Where it is saved? Check. Unnecessary one. MS Paint. Downloads. Check. Downloads only we searched. X-ray image. Okay. Remarks my latest X-ray. Okay, going to submit. Okay, it is uploaded. Okay, uploaded by the patient. When the doctor logins, okay, Ramesh is the doctor, he logins. Okay, and after that he can able to see the download and view the patient downloads. Okay, when the download is he can able to see and analyze that one. We will be adding some prescription over there. Okay, and after that lab is not required, optional. Okay, some call Okay, something like 1-0-1. Okay, some tablets will be specified. Okay, and next visit we pay after 1 hour, sorry, after 1 week, sorry. Okay, like this the prescription will be there, and after doctor return the prescription, the appointment will get closed. And if you see it is in person or something else, so Siva can be able to view the details. Okay, Siva here he can view, okay, the details. Okay, if it is online or directly he will write and give if it is offline. Okay,